Everyone, it is a beautiful Tuesday in France. We have a beautiful sun shining today. I hope you have a good day. Yesterday was actually a public holiday in France, which gave me the opportunity to do some cleanup in my task view. I don't actually say that you should work on public holidays, but I had the occasion to work a little bit, so I did some cleanup. That allowed me to realize something that's good as well as really hard to do, which is cleaning a task list without actually doing anything. What I mean by that is when you start cleaning up a list, like triaging stuff, it's usually easier to just do some of those things, like the easiest and the smallest things. The problem is those small tasks do add up over time. So after 1 hour of cleaning up, you actually ended up doing something for half an hour and your task list is not clean. So what I wanted to talk about today is how important it is sometimes to just go through the list and triage things without actually doing the tasks. If you identify a lot of very small things and quick things to do, usually what I do is create a specific section or a specific project to store those items into. That means as soon as I'm done triaging everything, I can tackle those really tiny items, but only when I'm done triaging the rest. So let me know if this is something you would like to apply as well, if you have been struggling with this as well. Sometimes it feels like we never reach the bottom of a task list, and I think it's partially true, but I think one of the hack is to actually not do some of the stuff and just try to really go at the bottom to be able to actually triage everything once and for all. I'm trying to do that every 2 weeks, every 1 month, depending on how long my task list is. We at work we had like a crazy week last week, even the week before that. So I think it was a good opportunity now that the dust has settled to do some cleaning up. Have a good day. Have a good week.